Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market for you. Today, we're diving into the world of tension rods, specifically the Amazon Basics Tension Curtain Rod. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile curtain rod, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right in. The Amazon Basics Tension Curtain Rod is truly a game changer. With its adjustable length ranging from 36 to 54 inches, this tension rod offers unparalleled versatility. Whether you're looking to hang curtains in your shower, windows, closet doors, or any other space, this rod has you covered. Now, let's talk features. Made from durable and lightweight metal with a sleek white finish, this rod not only looks great but also stands the test of time. The 1.4-inch classic finials with rubber end caps ensure a sturdy hold without the need for drilling or holes. Plus, with a weight capacity of 7 pounds, you can trust that it'll handle your curtains with ease. But what about installation, you ask? Well, I'm happy to report that setting up this tension rod is an absolute breeze. Simply twist to achieve the desired tension and adjust the length accordingly. No tools or hardware required. It's a DIY dream come true. Now, you might be wondering how the Amazon Basics Tension Curtain Rod stacks up against the competition. Well, let me tell you, it's a clear winner. With its unbeatable combination of quality, affordability, and ease of use, it's no wonder why it's the #1 bestseller in its category. And there you have it, folks. The Amazon Basics Tension Curtain Rod is truly the best tension rod white available in the market. Whether you're looking to add privacy to your shower or style to your windows, this rod has everything you need and more. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!